What's up guys, my name is Shockz. Welcome to another tutorial. Today I want to teach you the squeezer roll or inward tongue roll, or I don't know, whatever you want to call it. Before everything, make sure to subscribe my channel to watch more tutorials, more beatboxes and gameplays. So the squeezer roll is very similar to tongue roll, the outward tongue roll, but unfortunately I can't do that outward tongue roll. This is a very useful sound. You wanna know why? Because for example, you're running and you're out of breath, and instead of breathing in, you can do this. I know, that's cool. Okay,
let's go and kill it.
For learning the squeezer roll, I divided in 3 steps, 3 very easy steps. The first step is to dropping your jaw like this. This is a very easy step. I know you can do it. And the reason of that dropping the jaw is to make room for making that sound and don't make a hard pressure. It's just a normal sound, so you don't need a lot of pressure for it. So you drop your jaw and do it easily. The second step is the most important thing. It's the tongue position. Tongue positioning is very important in this sound. You should put your tongue on the up of your mouth like this. I see a lot of people that do another position, for example the sideways, and that sounds a little weird, and it's another sound. It's not a squeezer roll. It sounds something like this, or the nasal whistle, I think. But the most popular and correct position is the middle one.
Step number 3.
The third step is to breathing in. Then you hold that position and find that position on your mouth and your tongue. Try to breathe in and relax your tongue so it can do something like this. I don't know.
Okay.
Unfortunately, I can't do it with open mouth. Some beatboxers can, and I can't show you how my tongue moves. If you haven't get it yet, don't be discouraged. It takes me several months to learn this, and maybe it takes several years for you to learn this, and it is a very hard sound. Don't be discouraged, don't be disappointed, and make sure you will practice every day and make your vocal cords and your mouth wet. And while learning this sound, you can experience different mouth positionings, for example like this.
Stop it.
As always I say, it's beatboxing. Make your sounds unique for yourself and try everything you can to make your sounds and make them unique for yourself. If you have any questions, please comment down below and let me know. I will help you and I will make more tutorials as you want. Take care, have a nice day.